Hello creatives, how are you doing today? So today we are starting our design classes, and what we are going to concentrate on is designing with shapes. So in the earlier videos we've already seen how to create a new file in Adobe Illustrator. We've seen the interface, we've seen the tools, most of the panels. So I want us to start designing using Adobe Illustrator. One of the first tasks that we are going to be doing is creating design with shapes. So we are going to create a new file. Let's create a new file. Let's say designing with shapes. Creating design with shapes. Creating design with shapes, and let's save it for web. Then we shall use 1000 by 1000 pixels, in this case RGB. Then we shall make it medium resolution. Okay, so I have a number of shapes that I want us to try out, and let's get one by one. Let's import all of them. Let's do that here. So let's import. We've imported the shapes. We are going to have every shape in its own artboard. Let's make this, make it that big. Let's create more space. Duplicate that artboard. Delete. Bring this here. Bring this shape here. So starting with the first shape. So you look at the shape and see what shape is it close to. So after identifying the shapes, next thing you do is to see the tool efficient for that shape. So in this case, since we have 4 corners for each shape, we have this point, that point, this point, and this point. So all these have 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These can come from the rectangle. Then we can also get them from the pen tool. So let's try this using the rectangle tool first. So I'm going to get my rectangle, draw one point there, another point there. So in this case, I have the 2 corners touching already. Then I'm going to get my direct selection tool, get this point, bring it here, get this point, you have to zoom in, bring it there. So I have my shape already done. Next thing I do, I get my eyedropper tool, then copy color. So this is done. That is step 1. The other step is getting the pen tool. Click here to create the first point, then here, second point, third point, fourth, then join back. So you already have a shape. So whichever is easy, you can try it that way. So we have point number 1 with the colors. Let's put it there. So since they are all equal sides, no need to draw again. We're just going to duplicate and replace color. So I'm going to duplicate, then rotate. When rotating, you have to press shift so that you will be able to grab the right angle that you want. So in this case, we want 90 degrees. That is it. So I'm going to bring this here, move it aside a little bit, then copy the color, then bring it back. Duplicate this again, rotate. Don't forget to press shift when rotating. Bring this here, move it down a little bit, get your eyedropper, copy color, back to the selection tool and move it there. So now we have the white space left in the middle. So this will create automatically. So this is the original photo that we downloaded. This is the shape we've created. Yeah. So highlight all, right click, then group them. So now when you look at this, it is full of circles. Circles everywhere. So there are many ways to go about this. So let's begin on this. So first way, get your rectangle tool, draw while pressing shift to have the square. When you get a square, get your direct selection tool, click on that point only, then curve it. Then get your eyedropper and copy color. So this is done. So in this case, let's duplicate this, get my eyedropper, then copy color, back to selection tool. So now we need to flip it so that it faces this way. So what you're going to do is right click, transform, reflect, then preview. Okay, it's facing in the right direction, then say okay. Duplicate, then you can rotate to the angle that you want, get your eyedropper, copy color, back to selection tool and move it where you want. Duplicate, rotate to the angle that you want, copy color and done. Duplicate again, copy color and done. Duplicate again, copy color and we're good to go. Lastly, duplicate again, rotate, copy color, put in the right position. Duplicate again, copy color and put in the right position. Then we have these small inserts. So since these are looking alike, we are just going to draw one and duplicate and replace color. So in this case, I think we'll need the pen tool to create this. So first of all, get the pen tool, create the first point, second point. There are two ways here. You can either first make it straight or do the curve. So click this, create curve, break, click this, create curve, done. Yeah, so copy color, copy color, copy color, then move back. Then on this one, let's try using the pen and curvature tool. So I'm going to get my pen tool, straight lines, straight lines, straight lines, straight lines, straight lines. Then I get my curvature tool, curve, curved. Yeah, that's option 2. Move this here, eyedropper, copy color, move this back. So down here, press Alt, click drag, rotate, then you have this. Duplicate, bring down, copy color, then back. So now it's time to remove our original photo. Then we see what we've created. So let's go to Object, unlock all, then move our original photo away to see what we've created. So this is the original, this is what we've done. So it looks exactly like that. Then we go to the third shape. Here we'll need the pen and curvature tool to create this better. So let's get our pen tool. You can start from there. I usually like starting with the sharp points here. Point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. So we're going to get our curvature tool, get this line, curve it like that, get this line, get our direct selection tool, click here, move it down, get that, curve it, get that, curve it, get this and curve it, get this and slightly curve it. So eyedropper, copy color, and we are good to go. So this is done. Let's put it back. So pen tool, make line, make line, make line, another line, and there. Curve. Get curved like that. Move it away. Copy color. Take the points back again. Click on this, bring it here. Click on that, bring it there. Click on this, bring it here. Click on this, bring it here. Then selection tool, then direct selection tool again. Press inside and curve it. Okay, so pen tool, there, 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 there. Direct selection tool, then curve it. Pen tool, here, 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 curve, ready, break. Then join here. Then after, click on that, curve it. Click on this, curve it. We're almost there. So pen tool, curve, breakpoint, join, join, and join. Join. So put this, curve it, that, curve it. Eyedropper, copy color, take this back. Eyedropper, copy color, take this up, I drag up, copy color, take this back up. So you have this and that. Pen tool, yeah, this can be a straight line, and I use the curvature tool after. Okay, curve. So this copy color, bring this back, this copy color, bring this back, and you're done. So let's remove the original photo, put it aside, and this is what we have. So this original, this created, this original, this created, this created, original. So thank you for this class. Keep in touch, subscribe to the channel, and recommend it to your designer friends. Thank you.
Introducing Wrapped Multimedia Agency, where creativity meets storytelling. At Wrapped, we specialize in bringing your brand's vision to life with stunning visuals, captivating content with professional production quality. Whether it's a corporate video, commercial, or creative project, we craft compelling idealization that resonates with your audience. Let us wrap your story in excellence. Ready to make an impact? Partner with Wrapped Multimedia Agency and turn your ideas into unforgettable visual experiences.